Here are two popular Josef Kihlberg industrial foot staplers. These industrial carton and box staplers are very similar but different in one key area, which affects the manner in which boxes can be stapled. The loading of both foot staplers is identical. The B561 model foot stapler has a vertical post extending up to the stapling head for box placement. This model of foot stapler is for the moderate production volume assembly of box bottoms. This is performed by placing the box over the post as shown here. However, the sides of boxes cannot be stapled because the bar is in the way. Alternatively, the sidearm model has this bar extending horizontally from the side of the frame. This foot stapler has a unique feature of being able to join the sides of boxes as shown. However, the horizontal orientation of the post prevents the closing of box bottoms. This demo shows how these two models of foot staplers can be used for closing both the bottoms and sides of boxes and cartons.